These are Spy Rocky frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. So to remove a lens, you're going to pull outward on the upper part of the frame while pushing downward on the lens, like so. Again, you pull outward and push down. The lens should pop out fairly easily. Now, to reinstall or to replace a lens, you're going to take the far side of the edge of the lens and place it into the grooves that are established on the far side of the frame. You want to slide it in, make sure it fits snug, and then once you've done that, you just push on the other exposed corners and it should slide right into place. Again, far side of the lens into the grooves on the far side of the frame. You just slide and push.